Okay. I'll start with the director. I've seen the trailer. It is very good. Me custom anta kanipistundi. We all really hope you were here today. Okay, next Shalini, great script. I enjoyed the preview. I kept laughing all over. Divya. So we never met personally, but నేను acting start చేస్తున్నప్పుడు I started with YouTube, and it was my dream to work with you and Vidyaka. Yeah, మీరు మీ వీడియోస్ కి ముందు నేను చెప్తా అనేవాళ్ళు కదా, అది నేను కూడా ఒకసారి చెప్దాం అనుకున్నా. ఇట్ నెవర్ హ్యాపెన్ దో. అభినవ్ సార్ గురించి I cannot. It's always a pleasure watching you on screen. Sorry? I know, sir. I enjoyed watching you every time you were on screen. Even Priyadarshi sir, I enjoyed Save the Tigers the most. Okay, now coming to Nikhil, I know him for last 2 years. And I know how deliberately he was waiting for a good script for his debut. I'm glad he's part of this movie. Workshop appudu kuda vachi cheppevadu like how fun he had, and appude we all friends got to know that the movie is going to be blast. Congratulations to you and the whole team. I am proud of you. My debut happened with Aha.
I'm sure it will be a huge hit like your series, and even #90s. She was brilliant in it also. Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
thank you so much.
Congratulations to the whole team. Watch My Dear Donga 19th April. Pakka. రేపు నైట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, ప్లీజ్ చూడండి.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much both of you for your sweet presence on stage. Thank you. రెండు మైకులు నేను పట్టుకోలేను కాబట్టి కాస్త ప్లీజ్. యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. యా, ఇప్పుడు స్టేజ్ పైకి ఒక వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ కపుల్ని పిలవ